Copilot keeps turning up in Windows 11, in the taskbar, in search, sometimes after an update reinstalls it. In this video, I will show you two ways to actually remove it. One that works on any edition of Windows 11, and one stronger option for Pro, Enterprise, and Education. I will be clear about which is which, so you don't go looking for a setting your edition doesn't have. But before we remove anything, if you only want Copilot off your taskbar, right-click the taskbar, open taskbar settings, and turn Copilot off. That's cosmetic. The app is still installed. If you want it actually gone, here is how to do it. Let's start with the method everyone can use, including Windows 11 Home. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Copilot and watch the name here. This is the consumer chatbot, which is separate from Microsoft 365 Copilot. Make sure you're removing the one you actually mean. Click the three dots, then uninstall, and confirm. That's the clean method, and it's the one I'd recommend for most people. One caveat, a future Windows update can sometimes reinstall Copilot. If it comes back again, you just remove it the same way. Now the second method, and here's the honesty up front. This one needs Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. If you're on Windows 11 Home, you don't have the group policy editor, so method 1 is your method. You can stop here, you're done. For everyone on Pro and above, there's a newer policy worth understanding, even though it behaves in a way that surprises most people. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. Then go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components. Note where it lives, under Windows AI. The policy is called Remove Microsoft Copilot App. Open it and read the conditions because this is the part that matters. Here's what the policy actually says. It only uninstalls Copilot when three things are all true. Both Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot are installed, the app was not installed by the user, and it hasn't been launched in the last 28 days. Set it to enabled and click OK. But notice the second condition, not installed by the user. If you installed Copilot yourself, like I did for the purpose of this video, this policy is designed to leave it alone. It's more built for managed work devices where Copilot arrived through the Windows image, not for an app you added by hand. So why show it at all? Because you will see this policy recommended online as a magic off switch, and it isn't. Understanding its conditions saves you from enabling it, restarting, and wondering why Copilot is still there. For a personal PC, method 1, the uninstall, is the one that actually does the job. So let's have a recap. Want to see less? You can hide the button. Want it gone? Uninstall it from settings. That works on every edition, and that's what I would use. Managing work devices, the Remove Microsoft Copilot App policy on Pro and above is useful to understand, but conditional, and it won't touch an app you installed yourself. If a Windows update brings Copilot back, the settings uninstall takes it out again. If this cleared up the difference between hiding Copilot, uninstalling it, and the policy people keeps recommending, subscribe to Libertechia for more practical Windows guides. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.